Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. As you can see, I've got another Poundland haul for you, so let's get straight on. So the first items that I picked up were these gorgeous wrapping papers. So I've got one that's just silver and white, and then I've got another one that has navy blue and just like a turquoisey blue and white writing. This one just says happy birthday, and this has got like party, celebration, cheers, yay. This one kind of reminds me of Christmas paper, but we have more men to buy for than we do women for birthdays and stuff, so this is just perfect because it's unisex. And yeah, sometimes I struggle to get nice wrapping paper for guys, so about £1 each, I thought yeah, I'll take those. And then along the same theme, I picked up this really pretty tissue paper. So this is just white with gold polka dots. Again, I feel like I could get away with lady or fella for this one, and it is an 8-pack, and it's one of those things that I always forget when I go out and buy a present, that I'll get wrapping paper, but if I'm putting it in a bag, I'll get the bag, but I'll always forget the tissue paper. So I thought, oh, I'll just stock up a little bit on that. It needs must, but these are so cheap in Poundland. For a pack of 8, it was £1, and they're so expensive in supermarkets. So yeah, if you need, definitely go to Poundland. I then picked up this Easter egg for my little girl. She absolutely loves Peppa Pig, and I just thought I'm gonna get a little bit of a stock on of just Easter stuff. I actually don't know when Easter is this year, but all the shops had it out, so I was like, oh, I best get it whilst it lasts. And this one is not safe if your kids are allergic to nuts. It's by that brand Kinnerton, and this was only 99p, so I thought that was a little bit of a bargain. Of course, I picked up my trusty eyelashes. You guys know that these are the eyelashes that I'm currently using with Primark being closed. They're £1 for 2, and they are the daytime false eyelashes, and they are style number 2, and they look like they've gone back to their old style. So I picked up another pack that was exactly the same packaging as this, but the top lashes were a lot smaller, and to be honest with you, when I put them on, you couldn't even tell that I had fake eyelashes on. So I'm really happy that they've gone back to the old style that are a little bit longer. And yeah, they're just perfect. You guys know that I use that glue that goes underneath my eyelashes, and these are perfect for that. I always say if you do use the glue where it goes on top of your eyelash, these may be a little bit stiff because they are a little bit plasticky. We also popped into the basket this Carex drumstick squashes antibacterial. Do you know what? I've been really struggling to find nice hand soap. So when I saw this one, I was like, I'm snapping it up. I've not actually smelled it yet, but I thought normally the sweetie ones of Carex smell absolutely amazing. They do is it a chocolate orange one? Oh my God, it's literally out of this world. Oh, that's really nice. That literally does smell like a sweet shop. Oh, that's amazing. So although it's bright pink, it would not go in my bathroom, although you know me, I do love the colour pink. I've got a soap dispenser now, and I thought, oh, well, that's a really big bottle, so that would last me a little while. We're getting through soap like nobody's business at the minute, like everyone else, of course. My daughter up some of these yogurt coated cranberries. These are the Whitworth, is it Whitworth? Oh, Whitworth. Why would I say Whitworth? Whitworth's brand. She's absolutely obsessed with dry fruit. Like, her favourite snack is raisins, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. And she does like the yogurt coated, oh, I don't know what they are. They're not cranberries, but in like the Bear packets, and those for 5 packs are £2.50, so are quite expensive from Morrison's. So when I saw these, I thought, oh, she'd absolutely love those. And I've got loads of little containers that I can just pop them in when we're out to the park. And I also got this Fabulosa concentrated disinfectant. So it's an all-in-one. It says you can do your bins. Oh, looks like you can do soft furnishings, toilets, all of that. And it kills 99.9% of bacteria. This one's in the scent Wild Rhubarb, if I haven't said. I didn't give this a sniff in the shop because obviously I've got masks on and stuff. I just find it really hard at the minute. Whoa. Oh, God. That's strong. Do you know what? That's really nice. It's really sweet, but it's not like it's not like florally sweet. Oh, I like that. So I picked this up because there's been a number of times, like, do you know, when I have to put my little girl into a trolley, it's such a pain to like use a wipe, and sometimes I think, God, I just wish I could have a spray, spritz it all down before I put her in, because there's so many little like metal like bars and things that you have to like wipe down, and I feel like I hold all the rest of the customers up. So yeah, I thought I'd get something like this. Also, when I take her to the park, I always wipe down the swings and stuff, and I thought maybe again this could be a little bit easier to do that. Could you imagine me whipping this out of my handbag? I mean, I'm totally somebody who'll do it. I'm not embarrassed by stuff like that. So yeah, this was £2, I believe, and it just, I would really recommend the rhubarb scent. And then the one for my little girl, she's been spoiled in Poundland today, but I picked her up these really cute pajamas. So these are actually Disney. I'm gonna be honest, I'm really bad with Disney films. I know people absolutely love Disney, but I'm not one of them people. Like, there's certain films that I love, but I don't know like all the songs and all the characters and things, so like, don't hate me if you're one of those people. My friends always take the rip out of me for that. But yeah, I just got her these, and I think she'll love them because she loves cats, because she's found out that they make a meow sound. So whenever she sees one, she says meow. Or in fact, actually, even if she sees a small dog with pointy ears, she says meow. So she's still learning, but yeah, I think she'll absolutely love those. And she's got some pajamas, and she's also wearing some baby grows at the minute. But to be honest, I feel like she doesn't like being in baby grows anymore. She prefers being in pajamas. So yeah, that's why I wanted to get another set. And these were £6, which I didn't think was too bad for branded PJs. They had some really gorgeous like women's wear and children's wear in as well. So if you are like looking for some essentials, definitely go and check out Poundland, because I never used to look at their clothing, and I've been tempted every single time that I go in, but I am on budget mode. The next item I picked up was just some Vaseline, well, like the Poundland branded Vaseline. I just feel like you just never know when you're gonna need this. I also got some of this Aquafresh extra fresh daily mouthwash. I only ever use Aquafresh toothpaste. To be fair, my husband uses more mouthwash than I do, so I mainly picked this up for him, and this was only £1. And again, it's branded, and I think it was one of their cheaper ones in there as well. Oh, I've got some more gift wrapping stuff. Again, like just this size bag, I just feel like it's perfect. It fits most gifts in, and you get 2 of these, and these were £1. And again, unisex, it's like that silvery holographic design. I just really like them for £1. Okay, guilty confession as well. Does anybody else reuse gift bags? Because I do. Like, I feel like it's recycling. And then I found the cutest like multi-port mains plug. How gorgeous is this? It's like floral. And I've noticed lately with, it has, this by the way has 2 USBs, and I've noticed lately when you buy like electronics, they used to always come with one of these plugs. Well, the last few that I've bought haven't, which means I'm kind of running short on these plugs, and I have everything like charging at once, because I feel like the battery on everything runs out. Like, they all run out at the same time, don't they? So yeah, I picked this up, and I couldn't leave it because it was so pretty. Now this was a little bit more expensive. It was £6. I was going to get it out of the packaging, but I'm like ripping it up and everything already. And it is a little bit expensive, I suppose. I bet you could get them cheaper, but it's so gorgeous. And like, me and my husband are definitely going to not get this one mixed up. Even the packaging's really cute. Is Mobitech an actual brand, or is it a Poundland brand? I feel like I've heard of them before, but sometimes Poundland name things so similar to like other brands, it's really easy to get them confused. Do you know what I mean? Picked up some washing up liquid. I just bought some fairy. I fancied a different, I was gonna say flavour, different scent. So this is the eucalyptus one. I've never smelled this one before. You know me, I normally go for the pink one, but sometimes you're just in the mood for something else. Yeah, it just smells really nice and fresh. And yeah, it's kept in the cupboard anyway, so it doesn't really matter what colour it is. It took these really cute little animals for my daughter. She does have a crafting box, but it's kind of become more of a sensory box. Because she's only 18 months old, she's not really interested in sticking things down. So she's got like those fluffy balls in there, and those, oh, what they call, they're like fluffy wire things, or what they call, I can't remember what they're called, but yeah, she's got those, and she just loves to like get them out, feel them, and then put them back. And she's obsessed with animals. So I thought, oh, when it's Easter time, maybe one Wednesday I'll get these out and she can play with those. I also pick up some Cif, because I cannot clean without Cif. Like, I use Cif everywhere. Wow, when I say everywhere, I mean the kitchen and bathroom, because any tough marks, Cif can get rid of it. And I just feel like it makes cleaning so easy. Like, I don't want to be scrubbing, I just want to lightly what am I doing? Lightly wipe over and have it be like the marks removed really quickly. And I just find like Cif does that. This was only £1, and I always tend to go for the normal one. They do the lemon one as well, but again, a little bit like, I wish they'd do like a bit of a Fabulosa on this and have some really amazing scents. But yeah, this one does for now. I did pick up 3 of these, but I've already used one to light this candle, and I cannot live without these. So yeah, they're just for obviously lighting the candles. I've got 2 black and a grey, and these are £1 each. They do also do the ones that have refills, and they are also £1, and they would probably last you a little bit longer, but to be honest with you, I just don't trust myself with flammable liquid, so yeah, I'll just get these ones. The final item is again for my daughter, and they are the Barney Birds. These are individually wrapped, so like when we are going to the park, I can throw it in my handbag, don't have to worry about it, don't have to worry about getting any Tupperware like dirty and taking it out to clean it. So these are just perfect, handy, and yeah, she really likes these. So those are £1 as well, and you do get, how many in here? You get 5 in here, so that will last us a few trips to the park. And that was it for this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Go and check me out on Instagram if you are over there. Don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.